While your sales team burns through hours researching a single prospect, AI-powered reps can finish the same work in minutes. That means more time for building relationships, handling objections, and actually closing deals. Right now, your sales professionals are wasting hours on tasks that AI tools like ChatGPT can handle instantly. They're manually researching companies, writing generic emails that get ignored, and scrambling for responses when prospects raise objections. While your team struggles doing things the old way, competitors who have invested in AI skills training for their sales professionals are prospecting faster, writing personalized messages that actually get responses, and handling objections like pros. Here's what changes when your team gets proper AI sales training. Instead of spending hours crafting one proposal, they're creating multiple personalized proposals in the same time. Instead of cold outreach that gets deleted, they're sending messages that reference specific company challenges and recent news. Our AI-powered sales course teaches your team the prompts and systems that turn ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini into their personal sales assistants. No expensive software needed, only the AI tools most companies already pay for. We don't just explain what AI can do. Your team practices with real scenarios, learns advanced prompts that work, and builds their own toolkit of AI workflows they can use immediately. While your competitors struggle with manual processes, your AI-powered sales team will be prospecting smarter, writing better content, and closing more deals. AI will not replace salespeople, but salespeople using AI will replace those who don't. Don't let your team fall behind. Visit socoselling.com to see how our AI sales course can double your team's productivity while your competition still does everything the hard way.